everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're noticing your location settings or detecting the wrong location on your Windows computer. So if you're using a VPN, that's certainly a potential reason why you'd be getting an issue like that. However, if you perhaps actually have a different location set up on your computer, in today's tutorial, we're going to take a brief look at it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Type in settings, best match, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select privacy and security on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath app permissions and select location. And now that we're under here, you want to go where it says location history and select the clear button. Once that's done, you want to restart the map service. So you might want to just close out of your computer and relaunch maps and see if that is able to resolve the problem. You may also want to go underneath default location here and select the set default button. So if you go ahead and select that, you can manually go ahead and set that at this point through here. So then you can go ahead and select the set default location button and actually select a location on the map or type it in. So like I said, you can just type it in manually in there, and then that will be saved as default on your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.